Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Swagat. This is Sumit.
Hi, Sumit.
So, how are you right now in the lockdown?
I'm good, fine, and healthy. How are you?
Yeah, fine. Great. So, I would like you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hi, viewers. Myself Swagat Lenga, and right now I'm pursuing masters in design at IIT Bhubaneswar.
So, as you said, you are pursuing masters in IIT Bhubaneswar. So, what was your gate score and gate rank?
Well, I have, actually my gate score and gate rank was of 2019, and so my gate score was around 691 out of 1000, and gate rank is 2803 or something, but it's between 2800 to 2850.
Yeah. So, you said that you applied for 2019 gate, right?
Mm-hmm. I appeared for 2019 and applied in that year only.
So, this was your first attempt or second attempt?
No, that was my second attempt.
Achha, okay. So, what category do you belong to?
EWS category.
General EWS, right?
General EWS, to be precise.
Okay. So, did you join any coaching center? Yeah, this was your self-study.
No, actually I've not joined any coaching center. I'm self-prepared.
Great. So, after getting your score, you applied for CCMT and IIT and for COP also, right?
Actually, I have a clear-cut vision that if I will do the masters, I will only do in the IITs. That's why I've not applied in CCMTs, irrespective of the result or the scenario, whatever.
Okay.
So I was ready to face any consequence if I did not get selected at any IITs. But I did not want to apply for CCMT, so I have only applied at IITs.
So you applied only for IIT, neither NITI or any you have applied for only IITs, not NITs or NITI, right?
NITI, obviously, I knew that with my rank, I could not get selected. Obviously, I knew that. So, I have not applied for NITI also. Only IITs.
So, which IITs you have applied?
I have applied at IIT Bombay, actually. IIT Bombay, it's with the vision that if at all, I will go and sit in the spot round. And for that purpose, I have applied for IIT Bombay because I knew at the rank of around 2800, it's really hard to get a seat in IIT Bombay. And then IIT Delhi, I have applied for energy science, for which they have called me for exam and interview.
Okay.
But I did not get selected. Sorry?
Okay.
So they called me. They actually received the offer letter from IIT Delhi for energy science. And but I could not get selected in the written paper. Yeah. Then I have applied at IIT Bhubaneswar. That's it. IIT Bhubaneswar. And IIT ISM Dhanbad.
Okay, you applied in these 4 IITs. Okay, so can you please share us the coap round-wise, the result of your coap round-wise IIT selection?
For first 4 round, I have not received any coap offer. I directly received the coap selection at the 5th round. I received the selection at 5th round of the coap from IIT Bhubaneswar for design.
Yeah, then you accepted that offer, right?
Yes, I accepted that.
Okay, you didn't wait for the spot rounds. Why so?
Because last time the scenario was not so good. There were issues. So obviously the top rankers, most of the top rankers, they can't get enough number of PSU seats. Okay, so they will be going to top IITs like IIT Bombay, Delhi, Madras. So obviously it reduces my chance of getting into old IITs through spot round because of unavailability of seats. So that's the fear which told me to grab that opportunity, whatever it came.
No, that was the right decision. Okay, so can you please share us about the selection process of IIT Bhubaneswar?
What the procedure is basically there are three streams for mechanical design, mechanical system design, then
Mm-hmm.
thermal engineering,
Mm-hmm.
then manufacturing. Manufacturing, the last time it was started, the first time.
Okay.
So from 2019, the first batch of manufacturing started. Okay. So they have these three specializations. You can apply for all of these three or anything you want. Means you can either apply for one or two or three.
Okay.
Okay. Then you will be called for an exam, written exam and interview.
Okay.
Okay. Then there will be an exam first of all. From that exam, whatever you will score, based on that, you will be selected for the interviews. So
Okay.
50% rejection is from the written exam.
Okay.
Okay. So first they will call you on the basis of your gate score. Then you have to appear for a written exam, no matter what you have scored in the gate. But if you do not qualify on their written exam paper, if you do not qualify, then either you score 900 or 600, you will be out from the competition to get into the PI
Okay.
round. Okay. So from that written paper selection, you get into PI. After that, they will select.
Okay. Okay. So you are saying that doesn't matter how much gate score you have to first qualify the first paper that IIT does, the written paper.
Only the written paper you have to qualify, irrespective of gate score. But once you get into the last round, that is the PA round, then again your gate score will have an upper value.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So what was your question paper? Means how was it? Means the syllabus.
Okay, the question totally it's gate level questions.
So are
It
are
was
they
around some 20 to 25 questions, each 1 mark or 2 marks. So and the paper were easy and the topics are related to their specialization. If you are applying for machine design, mechanical system design, then the topics for that will be TOM, SOM, MD, these three topics. For thermal, you have fluid, then fluid, thermodynamics, and heat transfer. For manufacturing, production. Okay, so it's not that you are applying for, means if you are giving the exam of design, they won't be asking you thermal related questions or production related questions.
Yeah, great, great. So I would like to know the question paper pattern, whether it is objective or subjective. Would you like to throw some light on this?
Mixed. Actually, around, well, it's been a 1 year.
Yeah. I can understand.
Around 10 to 15 questions was of objective and 5 to 10 questions of subjective, but it's not that much of lengthy.
Okay.
Paper was not so lengthy. It's a 1 hour exam. So within that 25 questions and papers are relatively easy.
Yeah. So do you by chance, do you remember your score? Can you share that with us?
No, actually, they are not showing the result of that written.
Okay.
They will do the selection basis on their own without revealing the scores. You will just know that okay, you have advanced to the PA or you are just out of the specialization.
Okay.
You will
So
be
you
notified only
applied.
that much.
So you applied for all the three specifications, right?
No, I have applied only for design.
Okay. You applied only for design. And what was the cutoff of design?
Cutoff of design was around maybe 650. Well, I don't know. They have not revealed it officially, but considering with my batchmates, it's around 650.
So you are saying 650 as a gate score, right? And you were talking about the general EWS category.
General you can take. EWS, since I have EWS and my score was 691 and I was the last general EWS candidate.
Okay. So you are saying for the general category, it is around 650 gate score, right? Okay. So can you please share after you joining the IIT Bhubaneswar, the prestigious institute, so how was your feeling?
Good and bad, both mixed.
Yeah, congratulations.
Obviously, while studying in an IIT, obviously you have to feel good. Well, obviously faculties are really good. Means they're always in support of you. Means whatever help you seek from them, they will never let you down.
Yeah.
And since it's a new IIT, so a lot of infrastructure works is going on, and they're trying to develop. It will take some time to develop, but from a student perspective, whatever you need, like study, knowledge, teachers, faculties, all those things are good.
Great. So, would you like to throw some light on what are the fees and mess charges? How much do you pay for the total entire year?
For each semester, the academic fee was 19,000, and your mess charge is around 15,000.
Okay, it sums up to?
Sorry?
It sums up to how much? Means for an entire year, how much
Total.
do you pay? Yeah.
For an entire year. You can double it up, because for each semester they're charging 19,000 for academic and 15,000 for the mess charge. So 19,000, 34. So into twice 68 per year, you can say approx.
Okay. And you get a stipend of
excluding the 20,000 money which you have given during the time of accepting your seat through coap. Because I've heard that 20,000 will be refunded to you afterwards, after your completion of course.
Okay, and plus you get a stipend of around 12,400, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the most interesting question comes at the last. So what is the placement scenario of a college?
Placement scenario, well, the time I have joined, that time the placement scenario was good. Around 10 to 12 guys from design specializations, they were already placed at that time. The batch before I joined this college.
Yeah.
But right now, considering the economic crisis and this pandemic situation, the placement is really going to hamper a lot. And this time, this placement is good, but not that.
After the pandemic, every institution will face the same situation. So don't worry. We can give our all efforts. Then it's all about the company who are recruiting us. So I would like to know what are the future plans of you. So whether you want to go to a company or you want to do higher studies, and what is in your mind?
Well, obviously, in my situation, I would like to get placed in this college since I've worked a lot for it. Yeah, I'm hoping for a recruiter to recruit me.
Okay, Sagar. So it was a nice talking to you. You shared a very interesting and shocking revelation of your college. So thank you for your time.
It's okay. Yeah, welcome. Because it's my duty and all our duty who have joined this IITs, NITs to show the path to the new aspirants. Because once a time we were also the aspirants who used to watch such videos. Listen to telephonic conversations so that we get some idea at least before entering into that selection procedure, CCMTs, IITs, coap. It takes a lot of time now and patience also. It makes easier the things for the new aspirants.
Yeah. So because our main intention of making this video is that only we are making this video for the new aspirants who are very confused at the time of COP, whether which college to apply, which to not. So this will help them to get all the information regarding what are the current scenario, how is the placement, which branches to apply, what is the selection procedure. So it was nice talking to you. Thanks for your time.
Same here. Thank you.